Hi everyone. If you're anything like me, you've spent your entire career refining how you speak, how you communicate, what's your verve in business, and how you do great things. We don't want to turn that all over to a bot and just get ultra generic and give up our competitive edge. Let me show you some tricks and tips and things that I've learned recently that are helping me take what's personal about me and put it into the agent. Hi everyone, I want to show you what I mean by not ceding our professional expertise to some AI bot. Let me show you by just starting out by opening Codex on my machine here, which again is ChatGPT's version of Claude Code. And we'll go ahead and open this up. And what you'll see here is the first thing that I did is I said, help me build a new skill. This is teaching the computer to do something that I would ordinarily do. I want you to take me through the steps required to connect my email. I want you to identify at least 500 business emails I send, excluding auto-responses and calendar requests. I don't want you to just look at material email communications. Read everything that I wrote and create a skill called Rob Business Writing. So what's really cool is to test this skill once it was created is I went to flowcast.com and found a blog post, my friend Mike Whitmire, where I serve on the board of Flowcast. And this is a simple blog post that Mike posted about how auditors are going to respond. AI is going to affect the audit environment in the accounting world. And what I then did is I said to Codex, I said, create a structured extraction of that URL and summarize and paraphrase it without copying long passages, including all of this information. And so that prompt created this text-based output of the original blog. And once I had that, I said, can you please rewrite this in a concise professional writing style, leveraging the Rob business writing skill? I want it to draw someone in, excite them, and feel visionary without being over the top. Make it a Word doc so you can control the formatting well and make it look good. And also create a web page mirroring the blog area at flowcast.com, but making some liberties to allow for punchy formatting that highlights the key points. So now I'm working with the system to take my skills and rewrite the article in a format that I might have done on my own. And you can see there's some call outs here that might make it a little bit easier to digest. No offense to the Flowcast gang there. And what the system was able to do without any additional prompting from me was actually lay that out into a blog post. So all of this was created by the system. You can see it formatted here. When the auditor asks how your AI got that number, created a very cool visual, has all these really awesome call outs that you can easily read. As you scroll down, you can kind of get the flavor of how this laid out in an actual web page, which was completely generated by that simple prompt by Codex using the Rob writing skill. And when you see these sitting side by side, you can see Mike's blog here with written content and the sort of spiced up version over here, which calls out some high level points, just a little bit different layout, maybe a little bit more visually interesting. So that's the sort of thing that you can do with Codex that brings your skills to the forefront and allows you to do some very incredible things.